Again, thanks for watching. Back out in the pine forest. Going to be doing overnighters tonight. Tell you what, it's a warm night tonight. Feeling humid. I mean, the weather has forecast thunder showers and showers through the night. To be honest, I was expecting it to be raining by now. It's been dry so far. Midges everywhere and gnats. Yeah, it's just nice to be out. Yeah, first thing, we'll find somewhere to make myself something to eat. Going to be having something a bit different tonight. Not going to be doing any cooking. So I'll find somewhere nice and sit down for a bit, have something to eat, and then I'm going to find a camp spot later on. Yeah, so they forecast lightning for tonight, thunder and lightning. Never camped in thunder before, so I'm not sure about it really, whether I want it to or not, but I suppose it'd be a nice experience. Yeah, it's a beautiful evening. Really warm and humid though. Just taking this path up towards the sea. I mean, the tide will be out tonight, but I'll go back to the beach tomorrow morning when the tide should be in. It's been a while since I've been here when the tide's been right up. It always seems to be right out every time I come here lately. Just coming up to the beach now. Yeah, it's a really nice walk through the pine woods. So I might find somewhere to sit off for a bit and have something to eat up here. Like I said before, I won't be doing any cooking tonight. I'm trying something a bit different. A nice empty beach. Found myself a little spot. I'm going to sit off here and have something to eat before I go and find my camp spot. Yeah, I thought I'd try these new dehydrated fish and chips. Just add water. See how it turns out. Tell you what, that's not bad at all, that. Nice fish and chips, turned out nicely. Yeah, I'm just going to sit off here now and enjoy these by the sea. It's been a long time since I've had fish and chips by the sea, so I really enjoy it. It's really nice as well. Something a bit different. I really enjoyed that. Made a change from cooking. The clouds are starting to darken now. I mean, they did forecast heavy rain and thunder and lightning from 7 o'clock onwards. It's 7:30 now. It's been glorious so far, but I can just see the clouds over there now. Look really dark. The wind's picking up a bit. Yeah, that's the way I'm headed there. I've got about 3/4 of a mile walk through the pine forest to my spot. Yeah, I can hear the distant sound of thunder. Love all these windswept trees right on the edge of the pine forest. Gets really windy here at times. You can still hear the sound of thunder in the distance. There's a few rumbles. Nothing like the storms we had the other night. Probably the best lightning storms I've seen in years. At least 10 years. There's clouds and midges everywhere as well. Not sure if you can hear the rumbles. Lovely bird song. Tent up. I'm being absolutely plagued by these flies. Clouds and midges and flies everywhere. So the thing about camping this time of year, I always try to avoid summer camps in the woods. Usually only doing like winter, spring and autumn for this reason. Gnats, flies, horse flies, absolute nightmare. Yeah, the Vango Cairngorm 300 3-man tent, 2.6 kilograms, paid £100 for it. It's a solid tent. Last time I used it was here, this spot, in over 50-mile-an-hour winds, in a storm just before Christmas. And it held up well. The only thing, a couple of the pegs kept coming out, but the ground's quite soft, quite sandy around here. So I think that's the reason. But apart from that, I would trust using this tent in anything over 40-mile-an-hour winds, up to 50, 60 mile an hour, anything over that, then I'd probably try and avoid camping out altogether. But yeah, it's a solid tent. Loads of space in it. 2.6 kilograms for a free man. It's decent. You can sit up in it. Absolutely tons of room in it. I'll show you inside in a bit. So yeah. Oh, these clouds of flies are doing my head in. Got some Goose IPAs for later. I have tried these before on some of my past camps and it's really nice. 5.9%. Yeah, the rain's quite heavy now. Sounds like the thunder's getting closer as well. Probably not the best place to camp either there, on top of this hill. A metal pole above your head. Not sure you can make out them rumbles of thunder now. Hopefully it's not as bad as it was the other night. So peaceful out here now. Just listening to the evening bird song and listening to the rainfall on the trees. So relaxing. It's 11:15 now, so it's pitch black. Just trying Goose IPA. Goose Island IPA. Just tried a few times, really nice. Definitely recommend it. Yeah, I'm just trying my new headlamp out as well. The All Light Pedum Mini. Which is a mini EDC torch, which also can be used as a headlamp. 1000 lumens. Yeah, really impressed with that as well. It's lighting up these woods nicely. So yeah, I'm just going to chill out now. Have these IPAs. So peaceful in here now. I can hear the sound of the waves. This camera's probably not picking it up though. I mean, I'm only a 10-minute walk away from the sea from here. So in the morning I'm going to pay a visit. It should be high tide. Yeah, I've heard a few rumbles of thunder all the way through the night, still raining as well. Only seeing a few flickers of lightning, nothing to worry about. Nothing like it was the other night anywhere. Definitely the most comfortable sleep I've had so far on a camping mat. It's my first time using this last night. The Trekology UL 80 mat. It's 10 centimetres thick. Yeah, really comfortable. I had a really nice sleep last night. So this was my sleep system last night. My first time using the OEX Evolution Fathom 400. Yeah, it was really comfortable, but it was a warm night anyway. This sleeping mat was Trekology UL 80, and the pillow Trekology Luft 2. Yeah, it was really comfortable. Had a nice sleep. My tent's soaked. Rained all the way through the night. It's a really damp morning. I'll get it packed up in a minute. I'm just going to have 2 porridge pots as well. I think I'll have a little walk towards the beach then. I think the tide should be in this morning. That's me all packed up. I'm going to have a little walk to the beach before I head home.